this ITS service. Today we have Xbox One S1, and they took it to some place in North Carolina to fix the HDMI. And guys, look what they did. How it's bad job, missing traces. It's look bad. So who's gonna fix it? ITS service saver. So let's go ahead and fix it. The device after I cleaned the whole thing. The other people, to be honest with you, I don't know what type of flux they used, but this is how I clean it. What I'm gonna need to do, all the traces is missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this from here. So I'm gonna do my best to put the jumpers, and then I will show you guys after I fix it. Thanks for watching. First jumper is ready, and then we're gonna install the HDMI, and then we will do the whole other traces outside. Guys, I put the new HDMI, and this is what I did. I want to show you guys everything I did. See how it's beautiful? So you guys, I told you before, the first one is missing, so I took the trace to this regulator, and the third one too. This resistance, sorry, to number 4, ground 1 to the resistor. So far I'm gonna test it and make sure it's gonna work, and after I test it, I'm gonna put the green glue to make sure nothing gonna touch anything, and I use the ovometer. There is no short between the traces, everything is reading fine. Thanks for watching. Yay, baby. Fix the HDMI.
Why do you think, Sarah, this got 100% on Rotten Tomatoes?
Okay, thanks for watching ITS service. If you guys need any repair micro solderings, we do them. North Carolina.